How to use Facebook Messenger secret conversation. So go ahead and open your Messenger application. Go to the conversation or the person that you want to have a secret conversation with. Tap their name on the top area and then just go down to the option Go to Secret Conversation. Send anything to them, then go back to your chats. Here, you will see two copies of the conversation with the user. The one with the lock icon is the version with the secret conversation. The difference between the secret conversation and the normal one is that you can set your messages in secret conversation as disappearing messages. To do this, go tap on the user, then go to disappearing messages. Choose the duration of the message before it disappears after the receiver reads it. By turning disappearing messages on, it also turns the screenshot privacy on automatically, which means that if either of you takes a screenshot, it will notify to the other person in the chat. So that is how to use Facebook Messenger secret conversation. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.